Okay, so these are the questions we had in the first activity. Asha is taller than John, right? So this is our question number 1. Asha is taller than John. Asha is taller than John. Now, first of all, when we read this question, we cannot tell how taller is Asha, but we know that Asha is taller than John. So if this is Asha, if we assume that this is Asha, okay, so this is Asha, then John is taller, is shorter. This is Asha, and this is John. So John is here, so John is going to be shorter. So Asha is taller. Asha is taller compared to John. So this is John. John is shorter compared to Asha. So you see, but how short is John compared to Asha doesn't tell. It might be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 10 centimeter taller. So you see, we have many alternatives. It can be this way. So we have many alternative. Or we say that we have many answers. We have many answers. Okay, compared. So Asha can be taller, 1 centimeter taller, or 2 centimeter taller, 10 centimeter or more. It depends, but she is taller than John. So if she is taller, now we must look at some symbols used here. So symbols used in inequalities. Symbols used. We have this symbol. We have this symbol. We have this symbol, and we have this symbol. All of these are used. So okay, so this is greater than. This is greater than. This is greater. If we compare, if the number we talk about is to our left hand side, this is going to be greater. Now the number which is to the left here, if there is any number here, is greater than the number which is in the right hand side. That's what we mean when we say that is greater than. So there is a number here at the left. This number here will be greater or equal to, so this will be greater or equal to. The same to here. This is going to be smaller or shorter, smaller, and this is going to be smaller or equal. Okay, if the number is to the left. So mind you, the consideration here is that the number we talk about is to the left. Okay, so this will be your note. Number is to the left. number is the left hand side of the symbol. Number is in left hand side of the symbol. So this will bring meaning that this is greater. The number here is greater. The number here is greater or equal to. The number here is smaller, or the number here is smaller or equal to. It's smaller or equal to when we have this. So here we say that if we put Asha to the side, if Asha is represented by speak green here, if Asha is represented by A and Johnny is presented by blue, here this is John, then Asha is taller than John. Then Asha will be like this. Asha is taller than John. Asha is to the left and is taller, so greater. Here you see Asha is taller than John. This is an inequality which talks about Asha and John. It talks about Asha and John. So this is an inequality which talks about Asha and John. Asha is taller than John. Asha is to the left. He is taller. So you can as well write it this way, that John is shorter than Asha. It is okay. John is, see, this looks, it opens to Asha every time. It opens to Asha. Asha is taller. Now you see this is opening to Asha. It is big. But it goes close to John, that John is going down, so John is shorter than Asha. So Asha is taller. John here is to the left, and this opens to the other side, so it shows that John is still shorter than Asha. This here and this here are the same. They have the same meaning. John is shorter than Asha. Asha is taller than John. They have the same meaning. So this is what represent this. So this is an inequality here. It is an inequality. We have seen that it carries a lot of answers. They have many answers. Asha can be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 5, 10, 15, whatsoever. But she is taller than John. Let us move to our second. Example here. Alex plays in the under 15s soccer. How old is he? Is there only one old? Is there only one age for Alex here? Yeah. Alex plays in the under 15. So what we know is that Alex age is below 15. Is below 15. Well, we can also consider that for one to play football, he also must be aged 10 years old, but does not tell us exactly the age of Alex. Alex might be 14 years, he might be 13 years, he might be 12 years, 11 years. So Alex here, the limit is that he is not exceeding 15 years. So if we write this, we will do this way. This is number 2. We'll say that Alex age, this is age, must be less because it plays under. So it must be less than what? Than 15 years. So this is the age of Alex. The age of Alex is less. So it might be 14, 13, 12, all of these are less than 15. It must be 11, it might be 10. Now you see we have many alternatives, just like here. We have many. We have many. So we also have many here. Okay. Now I think you get the light of these things. Let us move to this one, the last one. Okay, you must be 13 or older to watch a movie. So you must be 13 or older to watch a movie. Okay, so how old are you? We cannot tell exactly how old are you, but you must be 13 or older. So if you want to watch movie, watch movie, watch move. So move. So we talk about age. Okay, this age must be greater than 13 years. So anyone who wants to watch a movie must be greater than 13 years. So it must be 14, 15, 16, 17, etc. Now, the thing here is that in every sentence here, answer, we don't have only a single answer. We have many of them. Now you see here, also have many. Here we had many. Here also had many. So you have many answers. There is not a single answer like in a question, but we have many of them. Now this is very interesting. This is all about the inequalities. They give us another room to think about. We have many answers in one scenario. Look at this. Asha is taller than John. Now you see Asha might be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. As long as she is taller than John, but so this, we use these symbols. We use them here very often in inequalities. So you see, Alex plays in the under 15s. Alex's age should be below 15, but it's not fixed to 14 to 13. No. It might be any of the age which is less than 15. You must be 13 or older to watch move. So watch move age is greater than 13. It is greater than 13. So you must be 13 or older. Mind you must be 13. So we talk about the equal here. There is an equality here. You must either be 13 or above 13. So here we have to start from 13. So we start from 13, 14, 15, 17, etc. Okay, but here in the second one, Alex plays in the under 15. Under 15, not equal to. There is no equal to, but here you must be 13 or older. If you are not 13 or older, so that's why we included this symbol here. 13 is here. This makes sure that 13 is included in this line down here. It is greater or equal to, so it must be equal to 13 or greater than 13 to watch a movie. So please be careful with these sentences. Thank you for watching, and please let's be together in the next tutorial.